Hi guys, my name is Wendy Ozon and I'm known as the Fairy Godmother. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's episode of YouTube will be a day in nature with me. So this is what it's like for me when I go to spend time in nature. For me, nature is a place I go to relax because currently I'm feeling stressed with work, life, and everything, running the business and everything. So after I spend like 1 or 2 hours in nature, I feel like my whole being has been reset and I have like this energy. I don't know where the energy comes from, but I have this energy every time I spend time in nature. So I love going to spend time in nature anytime I'm stressed, and I'm doing that today, and I'm excited about the experience. So yeah, I wanted to take you guys through the whole process of me getting ready. I wanted to also do makeup, but I won't do that anymore because I'm behind the time. I just got out of the shower, and I'm just going to take you guys through my basic skincare routine, the outfits, prepping for the whole nature work and everything. So yeah, let's get ready. This is my skincare routine on days I know I'm going to like sweat or do something stressful or spend a lot of time under the sun, or be exposed to the environment a lot. So I start with my toner. So I use the Sun by Me Miracle Toner. I make sure I wipe my face well. That's the first step. And the second step, I use the Jumiso All Day Vitamin Serum. And the third step is my eye cream. So I don't know that you can see it, but I use the Good Molecule Wake Up Eye Gel. So I just take like a little bit. This is all you need. I have this hollow eyes dark circles and I've had them like forever. And I've been using eye cream and eye gels and all that stuff, but it just never goes out. So I just truly believe that maybe these eye creams and eye gels are a scam or something, but I still do it. I don't know why I still do it. Maybe I have no idea. First step is my Snail Mucin by Cossex. So apply generously and I massage down to my neck. So the idea is I like to keep my skin very moisturized, like almost wet. That's the idea, especially when I'm outside because the sun can dry your skin and when you're exposed to dust and all those things, like so I like to be very prepared. So my skincare is like my guard when I'm going outside. Yeah, so yeah. The next step is my Cossex all-in-one cream. I feel pretty much moisturized. I always massage my face products down to my neck. I don't have any particular reason, but I just feel like my neck should receive any treatment my face receives because I mean they're just like the same or something. So the last step is my sunscreen. I use the Madagascar Centella Sun Serum. Maybe I should apply. That is how they taught me to apply sunscreen. So yeah, that is how I've been applying my sunscreen. When I bought this sunscreen, they told me it won't have a white cast. So the first day I applied it, yeah, I like I was so scared because the white cast seemed a lot, but The more I massage into my skin, the more the white cast disappears. So basically, they were right. It doesn't have white cast, but it takes some work to get in there. So the more it gets into your skin, the less white cast you see. Like I told you guys, it takes a while and a lot of massaging into the skin for the white cast to disappear. This is my last step of my skincare. I am wearing the Fit Fairy's new drop called the Modest Set, and I'm wearing it in sage green. Rocking it with this New Balance 9060 sneakers. It goes with the fit. I look so good. And let's get into this set, guys. Like, the material is amazing. It feels buttery to the touch. Has a very good stretch. No snatches. The waist. The booty is still there. I really love everything about this set. Some kilishi and a couple pili. For any expenses.
Inside, so there are like two different types of tickets. This is the ticket if you just want to have like the nature walk, and there is the blue color ticket, that's if you want to also have the canopy walk with the nature walk. So you have to get your tickets at the reception. You will see people at the reception there getting their tickets. So basically you have to get your ticket at that reception. So yeah, so that's like the step one once you get to Lekki Conservative Center. And I just feel like it's just a beautiful day to have to spend time in the nature. It's breezy, it's sunny, like, but it's not hot. The weather is not hot. So it's just right amount of weather. And girl, the way I am glowing. Let me show you. I have my watch to count my steps. I have my ticket bands, and I'm ready to do my nature work. So this is the beginning of the nature work, and I am ready to venture out into the wilderness. Let's go. They're actually quite shy. Once you approach them, they move. They start disappearing. Yeah. But they are so cute. So this is the entrance to the canopy walk. You can even see right there access to the canopy walk. Right there. So that is the access to the canopy walk. People that wants to do the canopy walk actually divert from the nature walk path and goes for the canopy walk right here. And also, if you want to rest, you can sit down here and rest before you continue your nature walk. But like I said, I don't see the reason, because it's a less than 30 minutes walk. Yeah, but if you also want to rest before you start your canopy walk, yes, please adhere to this warnings anytime you come here. Please not feed the monkeys. They will jump you. They will jump you, and no loud music in the forest. They have all these rules. Adhere to them. Adhere to them. Don't sit on the handrails. Why would you sit on the handrails? It doesn't even look safe to carry on people's weight. So yeah, you can also, if you want, if you're interested in canopy walk, you can read the rules and regulations of the canopy walk here. But I'm not going for the canopy walk. I've never gone for the canopy walk. No reason. I don't want to see the nature from above. I want to be inside nature. That is the idea for me. Maybe one day I will go for the canopy walk. So yeah. This is another pit stop. There are too many pit stops. I feel like they're encouraging people to be lazy, to be honest. Yeah, the walk continues. It's actually a long walk. So you have to wear comfortable shoes, guys. Wear comfortable shoes. I made that mistake. I wore these very cute sneakers and I matched my outfit one time, but the sneakers was so uncomfortable. I almost cried. So it's like, on its own, it's not like a long walk, but walking to and fro, that's a long walk. Yeah, so here is the tree house park. A lot of people are actually scared to climb this tree house, but I've never been scared to climb the tree house. I love climbing the tree house, but I love climbing it with somebody. Okay, I don't like climbing it alone, but I don't want to just sit down there and have a body. This is the tree house. It's actually pretty long. So if tree house is your thing, you would enjoy it. So we are nearing to the end of the nature walk now, because I know this because I could see a little while back where the canopy walk comes down and joins the nature walk back. So yeah, we are getting to the end of the nature walk right now, like in a bit, after we merge with the canopy walk path. So this is the canopy walk path, merging back with the nature walk path. Hi, good day. This is the end of the walk, guys. Isn't it a beautiful place to come to? It's so beautiful to just be here and just relax. If you're just looking for a day, you know, just the atmosphere, the sky, the everything, the ambience, this, see how pretty the sky looks. Everything just looks so beautiful. Yeah, it's enough to distress anybody. If coming here cannot distress you, I cannot help you with your problems. You have big problems, you need to go to God. So yeah. Food courts. If you didn't come here with food, this is actually a good place for you to get food and drinks. Like if you get to the end of the nature walk and you're tired and you want to eat and drink, this is the place for you. Last time I came here, it actually was not this neat and serene. So I'll give it up to the people who manages this LCC. They're doing a great job. And there is games in case you want to play games like grown-up games. There is snake and ladders here. And there is, I don't know what they call this game. I think it's Ludo or something. There is Ludo in case you want to play Ludo with your friends. I think that's what they call the game. Then there's a chessboard, like a giant chessboard on the floor in case you want to play chess with your friends. There's a chess. There's another chessboard there in case if that one is busy, you can use it. In case if this one is busy, you can use that one. There's a football field. There is also a volleyball field right there behind the football field. This is the volleyball field in case if you want to go there. And there is where you sit and just I think that's a court. That's, I don't know what they call this, but it's pretty neat. I think I found the spots. Ooh. I think people are there though. No, I don't think anybody's there. I think I found the spot. Yeah, I do. What is there? I just stay. Oh, this is a really nice spot. I've never been to this part before, but there are actually some hidden gems here. Guys, look at this. Look at this view. Look at this view. So I'm about to start the walk, the nature walk back to the car park. So this is round 2. So once you do your round 1 of work to the food court, you can relax and eat and do whatever you want to do. Then once they are closed or you are tired and you want to go home, you come back for your nature walk. There's also another exit at the back, but why would I go for that when I could spend more time in nature, right? So yeah, let's go. And we are back out into the reception, then the car park. They are actually closed. So yeah. So this is the car park. So yeah, so you can just relax and this is a reception at the end there. So just get to the car park, get into your car or your ride. You can even call a cab and you go home.